Cool, cool, cool. I was just flying my remote control airplane all through the blue sky. I couldn't take a video because I was too busy flying. But I landed over here somewhere. It's over by this dirt path. Where did it land? I know it landed around here somewhere. Where did you land? I was way across the field when it landed, and it's kind of a hill, so I couldn't see exactly where it landed. Where are you? Where are you? I thought you were right here by this dirt. No. Where did you go? This was the line that I was landing it on. Maybe it went in the grass. Was this the line? No. Wait, this line goes here and it goes that way. Where did it land? Well, there's a beautiful sunset. I know I landed during a beautiful sunset. That's always cool. Let's see, here's the dirt path. Oh, there it is. Maybe I didn't land quite as good as I thought. There's a piece of something. There's a piece of something. That's a pilot. Are you okay? Hello? Are you okay, sir? Sir? Are you all right? Yeah, you better check those instruments, because I think you're on the ground right now. You're not flying anymore, mister. There's another piece of something right there. Here is something. Oh, that's the bulk of it. Well, the star looks pretty still. There's something broken. I know what that is. That's the wing. Let's see. I think that tire is still good. And there's another beautiful star. And there's another tire. That is the motor. It's stuck in the ground pretty good. Actually, that's the cowl for the motor. But there's the motor. It's kind of stuck in the ground. There should be a propeller there somewhere. That's a piece of it. Dang! That's buried pretty good. Oh, we had a stowaway on the board. Maybe that's why it crashed. It wasn't balanced. Marine Stream. Looks like you're okay. You're still smiling. Anyway, not too much here usable, but I had a fun, what was it? 3 minutes, 4 minutes flying through the sky, and I did a barrel roll, I swear. This is my first plane that has ailerons, and actually they look like they're still okay. Ailerons. There's both of them. They look okay. Wings not too bad, but this is my first plane that had ailerons, and I was anxious to do a barrel roll, so I got to do that before the big soft landing, which wasn't so soft at all, and hardly classifies as a landing. Anyway, it was fun. I'll get another one. I'll do it again. I'll get better. It wasn't balanced. It kept trying to, I don't know, go down when it's supposed to go level. It wasn't flying level. I don't know. I have to check that out next time. See ya! Bye.